To change your Facebook business page name, you quickly have to head over to the profile, click on it. It opens up this page. Click on settings and scroll down till you find the page setup, and also click on the page setup. It brings you here whereby you have the name and view. Quickly click on view and edit also, and you have the opportunity to change your Facebook business page name. So quickly delete the name you do not wish to be known for and type in the name you want to be known for, you want your business page to be known for. So you type in the name. Once you're sure about that, you quickly click on review change, and that brings us to this page whereby you're requested to input your password, your Facebook password. Of course, you need to input the right password, otherwise it's not going to be effective. So quickly type in the password, and once you're sure about the password, you can then go ahead to click on request change, and that's all you need. It is done. But in situations whereby you've done this like about a short while ago, you need to wait for about 60 days before you can make another change on your Facebook business page.